Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can release the camera from the action pod here on the Insta360 GO 3S. Okay, this might be a pretty simple video to some, but if you're a beginner and you're just opening up your camera, I want to show you guys how you do this. So by default, when you open up your camera, it's in there like that. And the magnetism on this camera is pretty incredible. I mean, it's pretty strong in there. But as you can tell, you can't just pull the camera out like that. You actually have to hit a button to release the camera from the action pod. And what you do is over here on the left side, you'll push in on that button like so, and then you'll pull out the camera and it releases it. So that way you can take and use this thing out in the field, put it on your magnetic necklace or on your easy clip on a hat. But that's the easy way to release the camera from the action pod on the Insta360 GO 3S.